for liberty and democracy. What's more, Booker held the post-Civil War wide discussion on liberty and democracy in order to fabricate his audiences think that racism was something of the ancient South. There are few places in the South now where public sentiment would permit such organizations to exist. Aside from this, in order to confirm the institutional debate of the past, he reminds that he has referred to this pleasant part of the history of the South simply for the purpose of calling attention to the great change that has taken place since the days of the Ku Klux. Over and above, Booker also admits the wide potential for Negro integration. Throughout the tale, Booker pointed at white characters that he faced such as General Armstrong, who employed him for wages as an instructor and helped him in incorporation the Tuskegee Institute. Fresh from the grating influences of slave plantation and coal mines, it was a rare privilege for me to be permitted to come into direct contact with such a character as General Armstrong. Friends subscribed journals, maps, books, forks, and knives. Booker was the only instructor. He ran the space as much as the Hampton Institute, containing daily observations of dress, chambers, and other things necessary for doing something. Initially, the attendance rate was around 37. It doubled during 2 months. Booker started recruiting instructors, fundamentally Hampton graduates. Through that years, Booker's most prominent recruit was the George Washington Carver, born a Missouri throat. He was detached from his mom and he never realized who his dad was. While helping himself as a household operator, hotel cook, laundryman, and plantation worker, he also embarked as much as he could around animals and plants. He passed to earn a high school teaching by his late 20s. He came in Samson College in Indianola, Iowa, then switched to Iowa State Agriculture entirety and obtained a BA in 1894 and then a Mass in 1896. Moreover, he transferred to Tuskegee, where he controlled the agriculture administration. The single crop framework in the South had basically exhausted the soil, so Carver promoted planters to restore ground nitrogen by sowing soybeans, sweet potatoes, and peanuts. Because there was restricted indigence for these, he supposed hundreds of new usages. However, Booker's Up From Slavery exposed the post-emancipation autobiographical intense difficulties because although Washington was an ex-slave, his narrative confirmed the manner in which he became a character of black societies and a commander who instructed them.